When I was in elementary school, I went up to my parents and I asked them, where do babies come from? And they said, Mommy and Daddy get together, pray, and 9 months later, a baby comes out. And that was good enough for me. Kids at school had other ideas, and I would always tell them, you guys go believe in whatever it is you want to believe in, but I know the truth. Prayers is what makes babies. A couple of months after that incident, I had a nightmare one night, and I ran out of my bed, and I went running from my parents' room, and I noticed the door was closed. And I knocked, and my mom said, la 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 la, wait, don't come in. Don't come in. Your father and I are praying. So I said to myself, well, who am I to interrupt these devout Christians? They must have been praying all night since it's 3 a.m. And I just walked back to my room and comforted my own self.